Okay, so we've let the everything dry, the glue dry. So now what I'm doing is I'm just going to finish. I'm going to put some baby oil in it. Okay. I'm just filling it up with baby oil. Once I fill it up, I'm going to give you a better view so you can see where I stop with my baby oil, okay? Keep going. Just a little bit more. Okay. All right. So now I filled it to capacity with baby oil, okay? All right. Now we're done with that, right? So now we need to get our bottom. Give me a second. Let me get my bottom. All right. So, and I said I was going to show you the baby oil. So you can see I filled it to like right here with the oil. So I wanted it to go all the way to the bottom, okay? I want it to be full of oil, okay? Get a paper towel. Okay. And so what I'm doing is because I want the adhesive to make sure it sticks, I'm just wiping the base of this, really getting some of that excess oil off of the base, okay? Because we want our adhesive to stick, okay? Okay. All right. So now we're going to put our base onto our top. So what I want to do is fill this with glue, not getting it on the the adjustments, so that way I know the adjustments will fit. So we're going to fill this up with adhesive here, okay? And you could do E6000. You could do the caulk that I'm using, the silicone. I'm going to do the silicone on the bottom. And the reason I'm going to do silicone on the bottom for sure is because silicone, this is like the stuff, the caulk, that it's waterproof and that you find, that you use in home improvement projects and things like that. So I'm going to put this on the bottom. And you remember that this is going to be safe because none of your liquid is going to, when you use your container, your liquid is on the opposite side of all of these products, okay? So I'm going to fill this up in here. I want to get it nice amount, okay? And so I filled it up with my caulk adhesive. Maybe hope that's enough because I don't want it to, the liquid to float, okay? So now we have our caulk adhesive on the inside, okay? And what I'm going to do now is just turn this base on here and lock it in place like so, okay? And that's it. Now it's on there, nice and tight. I'm just trying to make sure it's all the way on so we don't have a lot of liquid coming out, okay? All right, so that's on there. Now for this adhesive, which is your caulk adhesive, let's read what it says. It says on here that it adheres most wood, metal, vinyl, siding, masonry, brick. Allow at least 30 minutes before exposing caulk to water. Not for underwater aquarium use. Okay, so it says 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes, okay, for it to adhere. Full cure is 24 hours, okay. So what we're going to do is, while that's drying, just to ensure that I have a nice tight seal, I'm just turning it. Make sure it's all the way down. And they're nice and tight. Okay. All right. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back with that same method like we did earlier with my knife. I may have to go get a new knife. Let's see. Yeah, let's go get a new knife. Okay. All right. Okay, so now I've mixed my epoxy. So what I'm going to do now is put the glitter in the epoxy. And then my next step is to just cover like so. Okay. And what I did was I just mixed my glitter and my epoxy here. Okay. We're going to let that spin for 8 hours. I'm going to do the same thing across the top. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing across the top. And by doing this is going to give you that extra layer of protection and hold of your liquid, okay? And that's it. That's how you get your storyboard tumbler with liquid on the inside. And it's that simple. It's that easy. All right. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, just comment below, like the video, and make sure you subscribe. I'll have another video coming very soon after this, okay? And so this is just giving me another seal of my liquid that's inside, okay? And then I just want to put a little bit more here, and then I'm going to clean it at the bottom. And we have finished a storyboard tumbler, okay? Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. All right. And so there I have it. I put a little bit more across the top. Okay. And then by it spinning and turning, it's going to help level everything out, okay? Alrighty. And then that's it. Now, if you have, like, I see where I did drip a little bit of glitter on the cup. I'm going to show you how I clean it. I take my tool that I have here. I take my tool here, and then I'm just going to clean off that little section. Okay, wipe it off, and then clean it off. All right. Is there some there? Yeah. Wipe it off. Okay. And then you can take a baby wipe and go and wipe it down good, just to make sure there's no harsh epoxy in those zones and areas. Baby wipe. All right. And that is the Storyboard Tumbler, okay? With liquid on the inside there. You see my shells are floating down. All right, and that's it. I hope this helps someone learn something, learn from my errors, my mistakes. All right, and everyone have a great holiday, great vacation. Thanks for watching.